Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Both iPhones charged and on the same Wi-Fi, and you are signed into the same Apple ID. Now make a fresh backup. On your old iPhone, go to Settings, your name, iCloud Backup, and tap Backup Now. If you prefer a computer, open Finder or iTunes and choose Backup. Once done, power on the new phone and follow the on-screen setup until you reach the Apps and Data screen to continue. You now pick the restore path that matches your backup. On the Apps and Data screen, choose Restore from iCloud Backup, sign in with your Apple ID, and pick the most recent backup. Or choose Restore from Mac or PC if you used Finder/iTunes, and connect the new phone to the computer to select the backup. Make sure to keep the device plugged in and on Wi-Fi. This prevents interruptions and ensures photos, messages, and app data transfer complete. You finish by letting the new iPhone complete the restore. Apps and media often download in the background, so make sure you stay connected to Wi-Fi and power until everything appears. If the restore stalls or errors, restart both phones and router, verify available iCloud or device storage, and try again. Sometimes switching to a wired restore from a computer fixes persistent issues. If a backup seems corrupted, choose an older backup or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.